Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Special 009. This time I will tell you some facts about bats. Imagine a pitch-black night where humans can barely see anything, but there are creatures that use darkness as their platform for power. Bats. With its thin wings spread, it darts silently through the darkness like a black arrow. Eyes? No need. Bats have a secret weapon: echolocation. The sound waves it emits bounce back, forming a three-dimensional map in its head. Every insect, every slightest movement, is read as accurately as military radar. Imagine a moth flying freely, feeling safe in the darkness, when suddenly, smack! In a split second, a bat swoops in and devours it without missing a beat. Other predators stumble in the darkness, but the bat dances in it. And the biggest twist? The darker the night, the more complete the bat's power. This is why he is called the Night Master, the true, unchallenged ruler of darkness. Imagine living in a world without light, without sight. For humans, that's a nightmare. But for bats, it's a miracle. Bats don't need eyes to navigate the night. They have a natural sonar system, echolocation, that's even more accurate than human technology. With their tiny mouths, they emit sound waves that bounce back, forming a three-dimensional map in their heads. A mosquito hiding in the dark? It's clearly visible. The movement of a needle-thin insect's wings? Detected instantly. Even in total darkness, bats can fly at high speeds without ever colliding with anything. And here's the chilling twist. Bats can see the world with their ears, a feat that flips logic on its head. They can close their eyes, but to bats, darkness is light. While all creatures fear the dark, there is one animal that has made it its absolute domain: the bat. With its thin wings slicing through the night, it flies silently, dancing through the air with a precision impossible for other predators. Darkness is not a barrier, but a stage. Imagine an owl, renowned for its keen eyesight. Even it can be fooled. Because bats rely not on their eyes, but on echolocation, a secret weapon that allows them to detect every hidden movement. An insect hiding in the leaves? Spotted. A large predator trying to ambush? Detected before it can get close. And here's the surprising twist. The deeper the darkness, the stronger the bat's power. An animal once considered small and weak, it turns out, is the undisputed ruler of the unseen world. Imagine a night without bats. It may seem trivial, but in reality, the world would turn into a nightmare. Insects normally preyed upon by bats will reproduce uncontrollably. Imagine billions of mosquitoes flying around, carrying disease, irritating humans, and even destroying ecosystems. Plants are also threatened. Did you know? Bats are also natural pollinators for hundreds of varieties of fruit and flowers. Without them, crops could fail, and forests could slowly collapse. But it's not over yet. Other predators that depend on the balance of the food chain will starve. The ecosystem collapses like dominoes, falling one by one. And here's the most terrifying twist. Without bats, humans themselves could be the biggest victims. One tiny, often underestimated creature turns out to be the invisible pillar that keeps life going. As the sun sets and the world falls into darkness, the nocturnal explorers emerge. Bats. With thin, sturdy wings, they glide silently through the air, as if possessed by supernatural powers. What's their secret? Echolocation, a natural technology even more sophisticated than man-made sonar. Imagine, bats can see with their ears, creating a three-dimensional map of every sound echo. A mosquito as small as a needle, clearly visible in their minds. An obstacle as thin as a thread, perfectly avoided. But there is another hidden power that is rarely known. Bats also keep the balance of nature, predators of pests, and even pollinators of exotic flowers in tropical forests. And here's the craziest twist. Without these heroes of the night, humans might never have tasted the tropical fruits we enjoy today. These mysterious little guys are actually invisible superheroes who keep life going. Behind their mysterious facades, bats are symbols of nature's extraordinary ingenuity. While other animals are trapped in darkness, bats transform the night into a platform for their power. How? Through clever biology, echolocation, group hunting strategies, and the ability to adapt to nearly every corner of the globe. Imagine, in a matter of seconds, bats can map dark spaces that are impossible for the human eye. They are not only hunters, but also ecosystem architects, controlling insect populations, fertilizing forests through pollination, and even helping to disperse plant seeds. This is clear evidence that intelligence doesn't always come from size or muscular strength. Instead, it's these tiny creatures that play a significant role in the balance of life. And the most amazing twist? Without the ingenuity of bats, many of nature's secrets we enjoy today might never have existed. Imagine a tiny creature, often considered scary, but secretly a lifesaver for millions of people on Earth. Yes, it's the bat. Every night, bats eat thousands of insects each, including mosquitoes that carry malaria and other deadly diseases. Imagine if they disappeared. Billions of mosquitoes would breed freely, spreading plagues around the world. Humanity would face the threat of an unstoppable health disaster. But their role doesn't stop there. Bats also protect agriculture, eating pests that could destroy crops. Without them, food prices would skyrocket, and the world would plunge into a food crisis. And here's the most surprising twist. Without bats, the world wouldn't just be noisier with insects, it would also be more dangerous for humans. These night monsters are actually the unseen heroes protecting our lives every day.